there, I noticed a checksum mismatch in our quantum beacon transmission logs. What do we have?
I'm scanning the transmission logs now. It's a Hamming-coded message. Bit string received was 10001101100001.
Let me run a Hamming parity check. Something is off. It looks like there's an error in the message. Possible that is a glitch during transmission. Let's try to correct it. To begin with, we need to figure out how many Hamming bits are required. Let's try to correct it. We need to figure out, using the formula 2 raised to n greater than or equal to m plus n plus 1, where m is the number of the data bits and n is the number of Hamming parity bits. By plugging in the values and adjusting accordingly, we can find the right balance between the number data and the parity bits.
If we assume 4 Hamming bits, we get 2 raised to 4 equals 16. But when we plug that into the formula, 2 raised to n greater than m plus n plus 1, it becomes 16 greater than 16 plus 4 plus 1, or 16 greater than 21, which isn't true. That means 4 Hamming bits aren't enough, but if we try 5, we get 2 raised to 5 equals 32, and 32 greater than 16 plus 5 plus 1, or 32 greater than 22, which is correct. So we will need a total of 5 Hamming bits for this message.
To detect an error, we use the positions of all the logic 1s in the message. The bits sets to 1 are at positions 21, 16, 14, 12, 11, and 6. And now we're going to XOR them. For 21, we have 10101. For 16 is 10000. If we XOR them, we'll get 00101. For 14 is 01110. And having the XOR 00101, we'll get 01011. For position number 12 is 01100. Having the XOR, we'll get 00111. For number or position 11, we'll have 01011. Having it with the XOR, we'll get 01100. And lastly, for the position number 6, 00110, and having the XOR a while ago, we'll get 01010. We get 01010, which is our Hamming bit or our HB.
Now that we have extracted the Hamming bits and understood their logic, let's find the error in the message. Assuming the error is at bit position 11, we reconstruct the full 21-bit code by including the Hamming bits like this: 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 H H H H. Using the odd parity rule, we XOR the bit positions starting from bit 21 and the parity bits. For example, XORing position 21 10101 and Hamming bit 01010 gives 1111. Then XOR and 16 10000 gives 0111. The XOR with position 14 01110 results in next 0001. Next, XOR with 12 01100 becomes 01101. And finally, XOR with position 6 00110 gives 01011. This binary result 01011 corresponds to the decimal 11, but since we're assuming bit 11 is the error, the parity check reveals the correct bit, confirming bit 11 is the odd flip.